Hello guys, in this tutorial we want to make a setting of our page. Alright, number first we make a correct areas. Which one? I made it, make it 5.5 pixel and it's make a 18 pixel. Alright, it's time to make our slider. Alright, copy it and comes to the project folder, public folder, and here paste it. Alright, remove this ones and here make it as RC and slider.jpg. Copy it and paste it here, here and remove this image. Okay, number one, slider.jpg, slider 2 dot ping and slider 3, slider 4. Alright, I think we need to rerun the project. Alright, new this project. Oh, it's oh, sorry. Here it does not return images. Alright, copy it, paste, and paste it. Now our page is coming. Its height is low, then we update it. Okay, Control F and make it 35 RAM. Okay, now slider and category areas are make it sure. Alright, it's time to change this one. The data come from the Redux. Alright, Redux is so easy. Copy it and comes to the project folder and paste it. Okay, yes. In this screen here we make a data.js. Alright, inside the data export default product, and inside the product here what we name, make it name laptop. Okay, category HP. right, and image. Here image product. Inside the product, make slash and laptop dot wp bp and return and make it price make it $60. Brand HP and rating is float value and last number review. Alright, make it 10. Copy this one and paste it 5 times. Comma and comma. Right, it is a gaming laptop. Dell, price maker $6 and it's make $5. Laptop 2 GIGF GFIF and make it mouse. Copy and free. Alright, last one left. Let's make a PC working PC. Okay. PC VIG. Right, it's time to fetch data. Right, in data dot product dot map and product. Product dot image brand. All right, and product dot price, product dot rate. All right, now we fetch data from the Redux. All right, now what we can be do, come to the CS file, product image, and height maker 20 rem, and object fit.car. Yes, this is what we want. And gaming laptop, obviously our problem, gaming laptop. Oh sorry, JFF, and last PC. PC is not working because we removed this parts. Okay, alright. This is our data. When you bring more data, then copy it and paste it again and again. Okay, comma 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 for terminate projects. Alright, plus one working PC. Yes, this name is LCT. LCT product is LCT dot ping sub dollar price, which is Dell, because it is the most popular, and let's make it 70. Now you can see this is our LCD, bring all the data which one we required. I hope you video a lot of enjoy. Thank you.